What are you doing? You're ringing the doorbell. So who's gonna answer? You hungry? Did they ring your bell? Did they ring your bell? Anybody answer? Okay, now what is there? Let's go inside and work. Okay? Look here. Look here, Kayla. Go wash your hand. Take your hand from your mouth. It's dirty. Wow, those hands are dirty. Let's go inside. Let's get your hands clean.